Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Now that the temperatures have finally started cooling down, it's time to change out your flower beds to cool season flowers. Here are just a few that add lots of color for those high traffic and visible areas of your yard. Snapdragons will have brightly colored flowers throughout the fall, and if protected from heavy frost, will continue through the spring. Snaps are available in many colors and sizes. Dwarf varieties are excellent for mass plantings, foregrounds, or borders. Taller varieties work well as background plantings. All do well in containers, and they reseed readily to produce endless color varieties due to cross-pollination. Pansies are very popular, tough little plants available in nearly every color you can imagine. Majestic giants have large flowers with faces, and crown varieties have vivid, clear colors without the faces. Plant fall through winter in any sunny locations. Not bothered by the coldest weather, pansies are great in masses, borders, or containers. Violas are like miniature pansies and do great as smaller bedding plants or even in hanging baskets. Mum's the word for fall and spring. Garden mums make great accents or container plants. Stock is an old-fashioned favorite known for its very fragrant flowers. It blooms profusely in shades of purple, lavender, pink, and white right through the winter and into the spring. Midget or greenleaf stock is a short variety with bright flowers. Trisomic or 7-week stock is taller and bushier and has more of a grayish-green colored leaf. English primrose is a classic cool weather favorite that does very well in light sun to full shade. Large-leafed and compact, it has flowers in rich colors of yellow, pink, purple, and white. Of course, you can't miss the colorful display of the ornamental kale and cabbage. These are prized for their deep colors of purple, pink, and white foliage. These are just a few of the many colorful plants for the cooler months. For more varieties and information, check out our free Star Note number 305 at starnursery.com or on our free app for your phone. And don't forget, we make house calls. Visit your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.